Hey guys, welcome to Empowering Your Mindset. I'm Dr. Andrew Brown, your coach, your mentor, your trainer, and your motivational speaker. Today, I will be talking on the topic, how to jumpstart your business in 90 days. How to jumpstart your business in 90 days. All right. So that's what I'll be talking about today. How to jumpstart your business in 90 days. All right, guys. So one of the first things that I always tell my client that I'm training, when I'm teaching them to start their business is this. All right. The first thing you do, you have to believe in yourself. Once you start a business, you have to believe in yourself. The moment you start to believe in yourself, you will see a big change in your business. That's one of the things that I always, let people know. Once you start to believe in yourself, you will see a big change in your business. And the first person who have to believe in themselves is you. All right. So now I'm talking about to jumpstart your business in 90 days. You can get your business from 0 to 100 in 90 days. Why 90 days, guys? It's important that we stick to something for a period of time. All right. And that's the reason why I'm telling you within 90 days, you can jumpstart your business from 0 to 100. All right. Now, watch this. What I want you to understand. Today, I want you to decide to be relentless for 90 days in your business. To be relentless for 90 days in your business. All right? Work every day to build your business. Once you get in the concept of changing your mindset and to position yourself to say that 90 days, I'm going to do this. Because you're looking for the result of changing a mindset or changing a habit that you have, okay? One of the things that I'm always going to say is this. We all, at one point in our business, feel like we want to give up. At one point. I do, sometimes. At one point in our business, we feel like we want to give up because we're not getting the breakthrough in our business. We feel like we want to give up in our business. But I want to say to you today, be relentless in your business. Don't give up in your business. Stick to it for 90 days. And guess what, guys? You can get success in any business that you're in. Every company you see out there, they are set up to create revenue. They are to create success. You can be successful in any business that you're in. All right? One of the things that I always look at and realize, and it puzzled me a whole lot, and I want you to check this out. Check out what I'm saying to you. Water can cut through rocks. Water, it can cut through any rocks. All right? Once the river is running, it can cut through any rocks. Okay? And it's not that the water is so powerful when it's coming down. But what I get to understand is this. The water just continue to be consistent to going in the area where it wants to go. And the more it be persistent in going in the area it wants to go, guess what? It start to cut the rock. The rock is so hard and water is water. Look at it. But because of consistency, the water begin to make a hole in the rock. And that's what I want you to do with your business today. Be consistent in your business for 90 days. If you be consistent in your business, when I say consistent, this is what I'm talking about. You're going to get up in the morning and you're going to start to make calls to whoever you want to make calls to. You're going to prospect in your business. You're going to do at least 20 hours, a week in your business. You're going to get up in the morning and you're going to go to your journal and take your journal and start to write down what you're going to do throughout the day. All right. And you're going to do that for 90 days. If you start to, put 90 days in your business, I guarantee you, you are going to get success. This is what I'm saying to you because guess what? I'm training my son right now, because he needs to understand the process of business. And I'm teaching him about the 90-day process. Okay? And I want you to understand this, because if you be persistent for 90 days in anything in your life, if you be persistent in it for 90 days, you will see a big change. You will get a big change in your business, whether in a relationship, whether in business. If you stick to it for 90 days, you will see a big change. All right. So that's one of the things I want to say to you. During the 90 days, I want you to take action during the 90 days. Actions speak louder than words. And I want you to take action during this 90 days. What do I mean by that? I need you to get to the point where you get up and you start to, whether to go on social media, to build relationship, with people out there, for them to get to know you, whether do video each day for 90 days. Guys, that just dropped into me. Wasn't even going to talk about that, but do some videos for 90 days. Put some video out for 90 days. Put some stuff out there that can help people for 90 days. It will change your life. It will change your business if you started to do that just for 90 days. Action, I said, speak louder than word. Start to put action out there so that you can put a big damp in your business. All right? So I want you to understand that. Jumpstart your business for 90 days by doing these things that I'm telling you guys. When you set out to become successful in your business, it is more than just a thought, guys. It's just more than just a thought. When you start to do business, it's just more than a thought. You can't just have it in your brain. Okay? You have to have a plan and an action of how you're going to execute it. That's what you have to do, guys. And for the next 90 days, I want you to come up with an action plan. I want to come up with an action. If you don't have an action plan, connect with me on my website. All right, my website is up top. You can look at it. Connect with me in my website. I can give you some action plan. I can show you how to jumpstart your business from 0 to 100. Free. I can give you that for free. I can show you how to do that. I want to be your coach. I want to be your mentor. I want to help you to get from 0 to 100. All right? So that's why I want you to understand that during your 90 days, the only thing that will stand between you and your success is what you're telling yourself. Some of us are going to tell yourself that I can't do it. It's too hard. But guess what? Everything in life comes with a price. And you have to understand, if you're going to do something for 90 days, it is going to take sacrifice. It's going to take discipline for you to do it for 90 days. But I guarantee you, if you have someone like myself as a coach in your corner and a mentor, you can make it. Or you can find someone that you know as a coach or a mentor who can help you to make it for 90 days. All right? If you do it for 90 days, you will see a big change in your business. All right? You can do it. It is possible. We all do it. We didn't get where we are today because we just do our business today and then don't do it tomorrow, then do it the next day and then don't do it for a next week or two. We were consistent in our business, and that's the reason why we are where we are today. So I'm teaching you guys how to be consistent for 90 days. And you can be like the water that cut through the rock because of consistency. All right? You can be that person. You can be the person that moved from 0 to 100 in your company. All because what? You change your mindset. You change your attitude towards your business. I am not going to lie to you guys. It is going to be hard for the 90 days. It is going to be hard. It's going to be challenging for you to do it for the 90 days. Changing your habits is difficult, especially when you've been doing the same thing for a long period of time, guys. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be hard, especially when you're doing it for such a long time. But guess what I want you to do for me today is this. And listen to me carefully. Write this down. What I want you to do for me is this. Never downgrade your dream to fit your reality today. Let me say it again that you can write it down. Never downgrade your dreams to fit your present reality. Never downgrade your dreams. I guarantee you this. If you upgrade your conviction in your business for 90 days, you will see a dramatical change in your business and a big shift in your destiny. If you just be consistent. I want to use that word, just be consistent in your business. Whatever you're doing in your business, just be consistent in it. Be consistent in your business for 90 days. Guys, I want to say this to you. A couple of years ago, when I started in business, my coach, that's what he told me. 90 days, I want you to get up each day for that 90 days, and I want you to make calls, reach out to prospect. Reach out to prospect for 90 days. Within that 90 days, you will see a big result in what? Your business. For the 90 days, he also want me to do videos to build what? Credibility with people that is in social media world. He also tell me in 90 days, okay, I want you to follow up with me for 90 days. Consistently calling me for 90 days. So guys, you have to have an accountability partner. I want to be your accountability partner. I want to be your mentor. I want to coach you in whatever you're doing. I want to do that. And I want you just to look at the link upstairs, www.drandrewoBrown.com. Go to that, go to it right now. And just put your name, your email. I'll contact you. You know, my team and I will contact you, and we will start to, give you stuff to move your business to the next level. All right, guys. So let me do some recap with what's going on right here. All right. How to jumpstart your business in 90 days. The first thing you have to do is what? Start believing in yourself. The moment you start to believe in yourself, you will, that's what? See your business spiral. So you have to start to do what? To believe in yourself. That's the first thing that you have to do, is to do what? To believe in yourself. And the second thing I want you to do is to be relentless. Be relentless for 90 days. For 90 days, be relentless in your business. Be relentless in your business. And be like a water. Be like a water that cut through rocks. Water is not all that powerful, but because of the consistency of the water flowing in the same area, it can cut through rocks. And if you be consistent in the area that you want to get success, you can cut through from 0 to 100. Guys, this is Dr. Brown, your coach, your mentor, and your motivational speaker. Share, make comment, and like. I'm out. Have a good day and be successful all the way.